In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paste with Copilot in Microsoft Word. This feature is designed to help you turn raw text into something clearer, cleaner, and more useful the moment it hits your document. Here's how it works from start to finish. Begin by pasting your text into Word, just like you normally would. Right after you paste, look for the Paste with Copilot option that appears near your cursor or in the Paste menu. Click it to open Copilot's quick transformation tools. This is the fastest way to tidy up content you've copied from emails, web pages, PDFs, or notes. You'll see options such as Make Changes, Auto Rewrite as cells, and Visualize as Table. Make Changes is great when you know the direction you want to go. Use it to adjust tone, tighten or expand a paragraph, or refine wording so it's more formal, more concise, or more approachable. Auto Rewrite gives you an instant polished version without extra prompts. It focuses on clarity, grammar, and flow, which is useful when you just want the text to read better right away. Visualize as Table converts structured or semi-structured text into a table so it's easier to scan and compare. This is especially helpful for lists, records, or anything with repeated fields. After the table appears, you can edit headers and format it just like any other table in Word. You can also guide Copilot more directly by using the Copilot icon in the document margin. Select the text you want to refine, click the icon, and tell Copilot what you need. Ask it to rewrite a paragraph for clarity, summarize a long section into a short digest, or expand a brief note into a fuller explanation. The more specific you are about tone, audience, or length, the better the result. For example, you might ask for a concise summary, a friendly rewrite, or a slightly longer version with smoother transitions. As Copilot generates suggestions, you'll see them appear right where you're working. Review the output, keep what helps, and move on. If the result isn't quite right, try another option or adjust your prompt to steer the style and emphasis. Think of this as a collaboration. You supply the content and intent, and Copilot helps shape it into a stronger draft in less time. That's all there is to it. Paste your text, choose Paste with Copilot to transform it instantly, or use the Margin Copilot icon to rewrite, summarize, or expand selected passages. With these tools, your pasted content becomes polished, structured, and presentation ready in a few clicks.